Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, the Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulosity channel. Please check below and click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel because we shoot amazing videos on this channel. So make sure you subscribe. Also comment. I would love to learn from you, and I believe a whole lot of people too will also love to learn from you. Please don't forget to ring the bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Also, click on the like button and like this video if you appreciate it.
Guys, so here's my cucumber. I'm just gonna wash it very well. Next, I'm gonna grab my chopping board and slice. Cucumber is a natural toner, has cooling properties and helps improve a dull, greasy complexion. It is used as an astringent to cleanse the skin. Sugar is a very wonderful scrub. It retains moisture and ensures the skin is kept hydrated, making it ideal for delicate and sensitive. The liquid content of the cucumber would make the sugar melt easily. You can either use white or brown sugar to scrub your face. This will help even out your skin tone and make any cream you apply on your body more effective. I would recommend you do this for like once or twice every week so you get the required results. So after doing this, you're gonna wait for like 15 minutes before rinsing off.
Alright guys, so I just finished rinsing off my face. You can see how my face is looking right now. This is so amazing. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope this video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing and see you on my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.